guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited for today's episode because I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be linking everything on the description box below, including the links where you could pre-order these bags, prices, and product codes. So guys, please take a screenshot and order them online or via your CA. And I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about ladies, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, also in unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, all bags are now available to pre-order via louisvuitton.com. Link to pre-order, prices, product codes will be linked in the description box. You could also take a screenshot and order via your CA. Happy shopping guys! Alright, so the very first collection that we are going to discuss is the Louis Vuitton Broderie Anglaise collection. So firstly, we have the Capucines Mini. This is priced at $6,650 US. So this collection is entirely made of genuine leather and we are going to see the perforation of the Louis Vuitton monogram. Next, we have the Petit Noé, prices to $3,550 US. So as you can see here, what a beautiful beige color for the Broderie Anglaise collection. And then we have the new bag. This is the first time that I'm seeing this. This is the Dauphine East-West bag, priced at $4,400 USD. Great size bag. I love that it has two compartments and it comes with two straps as well. Alright, next on this collection we have Nano Noé, priced at $2,160 USD. What a cute size bag, and I love the material, of course, genuine leather that they have used. I love that it comes with a detachable top handle. Next, new collection, we have the Louis Vuitton Symphony Collection. So first we have the Petite Malle, priced at $5,950 US. So this is a new collection that you can now pre-order via louisvuitton.com. Then we have Capucines BB, priced at $7,000 USD. So guys, how do you feel about this new print from the Symphony Collection? Are you digging the music notes and the Louis Vuitton in red logo? And then we have the newest collection. We have the Monogram Collection. First, we have the Zippy coin purse, priced at $635 USD. I love the size of this one, very, very handy. And then we have still Monogram Collection. We have Zippy Wallet, priced at $1,000 USD. I love that this one comes with many card slot and it has a zippered pocket inside as well. So guys, the difference with the Monogram Collection, you are going to see that it is made of denim jacquard but it has a rainbow effect. What a cute micro vanity, only priced at $1,900 USD. But to be honest guys, the micro vanity of LV, I feel it's a little bit overpriced. It comes in this golden brown color, same micro vanity, priced at $1,900. So if you are going to open it, it comes with a mirror accessory and this now comes with a strap. Then we have the Nano Speedy, priced at $1,840 USD in this golden brown color. See guys, I feel the micro vanity is so overpriced because this one is only $1,840 USD. Then we have the Coussin PM, priced at $4,700 USD. So the classic beautiful Coussin, and it comes in this very beautiful denim jacquard color. It comes with two straps. We have the chain and we have the fabric guitar strap as well. And then we have the Speedy Bandoulière 20. This is one of my favorite, price only at $2,280 USD. So the chain that it comes with, so others are in more favor of this one, leather strap versus the guitar strap. And then we have the side trunk, priced at $3,950 USD. Honestly, I am loving now the side trunk. If I would be adding one more Louis Vuitton bag to my collection, maybe it would be the side trunk, but definitely I would be choosing the classic monogram. Now we have the Loop PM priced at 2,600 USD. So this actually walked the runway. We were able to see it in action. What do you think of this one? It's a very beautiful golden brown color, and it comes with the vachetta and gold hardware. Then we have the Neverfull MM priced at 2,350. So as you're going to see, the insert that it comes with is just the plain leather, but the outside is made of this very beautiful monogram jacquard fabric. Then newer bag, so we have the Pochette Métis East-West bag priced at 3,100 USD. So this is, I think, their second iteration of the Pochette Métis East-West. What do you feel about this bag? Please comment down below. Next, still on the Monogram collection, we had the Micro Vanity bag charm priced at 915 USD. So if you want just a piece of this Monogram collection, but if you don't want to spend that much, then maybe you could get this bag charm. So here are other photos. So here are real life photos, as you could see. So we have the Pochette Métis East-West. So we are going to see the rainbow reflection. So what do you feel about this one? Still Monogram collection. So we have the side trunk. So as you are going to see, the rainbow reflection of the jacquard Louis Vuitton monogram. So what do you feel about this Monogram collection, guys? Please comment down below. Still under this very beautiful collection, we have Micro Vanity for 1,900 USD. Plus side on this one, aside from being super expensive, I love the chain that it comes with. I feel that you could use that in different ways and different varieties as well. Then we have the Speedy Bandoulière 20. This one I super love, only priced at 2,280. Then we have the Neverfull price at 2,350. So what do you think of this bag? So we have the classic Neverfull size MM. Then we have the Kipo 45 bandolier priced at 3,000 euro. So what do you think of this one? Surprisingly, it's now part of the women's collection versus the men, but it's still beautiful. Then we have this dégradé or the by the pool collection. So we have for 2,710, we have Speedy 20. By the way, guys, so the launch date of this one is May 5, 2023. So this is already available via louisvuitton.com. So the pink version is priced at 2,710. So what do you think of this very beautiful color? Then we have the classic Neverfull MM in the color blue, priced at 2,850. So I love the dégradé effect of the Louis Vuitton monogram. So we have darker on the side and it goes lighter as you go the way up. Then we have a new bucket bag. So the two features of this one, it comes with two handles for shoulder and a crossbody bag like this. Then it comes with sliding chain closure system with drawstring. It comes with zippered pouch inside that is removable as well. Then we have On The Go PM priced at 3,400 USD. Very beautiful cream colored On The Go PM, and it comes in the pink version as well. And then we have the mini bomb bag. So this is one of the newer bags of LV, replacing the classic Louis Vuitton bomb bag in the monogram. So price is 2,160. Comes in two colors or leather like this, and it comes in the monogram canvas as well. The monogram canvas, it would launch June 2. Price is 2,030 USD. So we have here length is 6.7 by 4.7 by 3.5 inches. There, hope you enjoyed our episode for today. So among the three collection of upcoming Louis Vuitton bags, which ones are your favorite? I would love to hear from you guys, so kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!